Hello everyone, in this Emergent AI tutorial, you will learn how to create a website using Emergent AI. This tool allows you to build a real website just by typing what you want in simple English. You do not need coding experience to follow along. I will walk you through everything step by step so you can understand how it works and build your own website easily. To get started, open your browser and go to the search bar, type Emergent AI and press enter. You will see the official website in the results. Click on it and wait for the page to load. Once the website opens, you will see options to sign in or create an account. You can sign up using your Google account, GitHub account, Apple account, or just use your email address. Choose the method that is easiest for you and complete the sign up process. After signing in, you will land on the main dashboard. This is where everything happens. Before you start building anything, make sure your account has credits. Emergent AI works on a credit system, which means every action, like generating a website or editing it, will use credits. If you do not have credits, the platform will not allow you to build anything, and you may see errors. So make sure to add credits if needed before moving forward. Now take a look at the interface. At the center, you will see a prompt box where you can type your instructions. This is where you describe the website you want to create. On the side, you will see options to attach files or images. There's also an option to connect your GitHub account, which is useful if you want to manage your code later. At the top, you will see the options of what you want to create. You can create a full stack app, a mobile app, or a landing page. In this tutorial, we will choose the landing page option because we want to create a functional website. If you are subscribed to a plan, you will also notice different agent options. These agents control how the AI behaves while building your project. There is a stable and thorough agent who focuses on accuracy and detail. There is also a fast and flexible agent, which gives quicker results but may not be as detailed. For creating a website, select the stable and thorough option. You may also see options for front-end only or mobile apps, but for building a full website, the stable and thorough option is the best choice. Next, you will see an option to choose the AI model. You can select from different large language models. If you are not sure which one to pick, you can leave it on the default setting. Below that, there are advanced controls like MCP options. These include memory, database, and integration tools. If you are a beginner, you do not need to change anything here. Just leave everything as it is. You will also see an option to set your project as public or private. Public projects can be accessed by others, while private projects are only visible to you. If you are just testing or learning, you can choose public. If you want to keep your website private, select the private option. Now we are ready to create a website. In the prompt box, you need to describe what kind of website you want. Be clear and simple. For example, you can type something like this. Create a modern business website for a digital marketing agency. Include a homepage, about page, services section, contact form, and responsive design. Use clean layout and simple navigation. Once you type your prompt, press enter. The AI will start analyzing your request. After a few seconds, it may ask you some follow-up questions to better understand your needs. These questions help the AI build a more accurate website. The question might be about the design style. You can choose between simple, modern, or advanced design. For this tutorial, select modern design. The next question might be about features. It could ask if you want animations, forms, or extra sections. Choose or write the features you want. For example, select the contact form and basic animations. Another question may ask if you need a user login or authentication. For a basic website, this is not required, so you can choose no. If you were building a membership website, then you could enable this option. There can be other questions about content style or layout preferences. It all depends on the prompt you give. You can leave everything as default at first and let Emergent AI decide what's best for your website. Once you answer these questions, the AI will begin building your website. You will see the process happening in real time. It will start creating the front-end layout, then the back-end if needed, and then connect everything together. You may see messages showing what the AI is doing, like generating pages, adding styles, or fixing errors. During this process, the AI may detect issues and fix them automatically. For example, if a section is not displaying correctly, the AI will check the code and correct it. You do not need to do anything here. Just wait until the process is complete. After a few minutes, your website will be ready. You will see a preview option. Click on preview to open your website. This will show you how your website looks and works. You can scroll through the homepage, check the navigation menu, and test the contact form. You should see a homepage with a clear layout, a heading, some text, and sections like services or features. There will also be an about page that explains the purpose of the website. The services section will list what the business offers. The contact form will allow users to send messages. If you want to make changes, you can go back to the prompt box and give new instructions. For example, you can say add a pricing section to the website or change the color scheme to blue and white. The AI will update your website based on your request. This is one of the best parts of using Emergent AI. You can keep improving your website just by typing what you want. Now let's talk about improving your website further. You can add more pages like a blog, a portfolio, or testimonials. You can also improve the design by asking the AI to make it more interactive or visually appealing. You can even optimize the website for mobile devices by giving a simple instruction. Another useful feature is updating content. If you want to change text, images, or sections, just type your request. For example, replace the homepage text with a more professional message. The AI will handle it for you. You can also use Emergent AI to fix issues. If something is not working, describe the problem in the prompt box. The AI will analyze the issue and fix it. This saves a lot of time compared to manual debugging. One important thing to remember is that more complex websites may take more time and credits. Simple websites are quick to build, but advanced ones with many features will require more resources. So plan your project accordingly. If you want to see the code behind your website, you can open the code view. There will be an option to access the project files. You may need to enter a password to view it. Once inside, you will see folders like front-end and back-end. The front-end contains the design and layout, while the back-end handles the logic, if there is any. Even if you do not understand the code, this is useful because you can share it with a developer later if you want to make advanced changes. You can also keep using the AI to improve the website over time. Once you are satisfied with your website, you can deploy it. Deploying means making your website live so others can access it. Click on the deploy button. The platform will generate a live link for your website. You can share this link with anyone, and they will be able to visit your site. The deployment process usually takes a few minutes. After that, your website will be live on the internet. You can open the link and test it again to make sure everything works properly. If you want to connect your own domain, you can do that as well. This allows you to use a custom website address instead of the default link. The steps for this may vary, but usually you need to go to the domain settings and follow the instructions. Now let's look at the full process again in a simple way. First, you sign up and log in. Then you make sure you have credits. After that, you describe your website in the prompt box. You answer a few questions. The AI builds your website. You preview it, make changes if needed, and then deploy it. This entire process can take less than 10 minutes for a simple website. That is much faster compared to traditional web development. It also removes the need for coding knowledge, which makes it perfect for beginners. In terms of benefits, Emergent AI makes website creation very easy. You can turn your ideas into a real website quickly. It also allows you to experiment with different designs and features without risk. You can keep improving your site until you are happy with it. However, there are also some limitations. The platform requires credits for most actions. This means you may need to spend money if you are building multiple websites or even a single website. Also, while the AI is powerful, it may not always create exactly what you want on the first try. You may need to give clear instructions and refine your prompts. Overall, this is a very useful tool for anyone who wants to create a website without coding. Whether you are building a personal site, a business website, or a portfolio, this method can save you a lot of time and effort. Now you know how to create a website using Emergent AI step by step. You can start building your own website right away by following this process. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider trying it yourself and see what you can build. Thanks for watching.